I love watching sunsets. They're a great reminder that you've made it through another day. But more often than not, I keep thinking to myself, how in the world am I gonna paint that? So I started studying how to paint skies and soft clouds, how to blend your background smoothly, and figure out which colors to use to portray a particular scene, which led to this cloud diary consisting of multiple mini sky studies. Hi and welcome to this challenge class. I'm Bianca Lustre, an aspiring watercolor artist from Batangas, Philippines. In this lesson, we'll paint different sunset scenes using a limited palette and review watercolor techniques to achieve the look that we want. This class is perfect for you if you have enough watercolor experience that you know fundamental techniques like wet on wet, lifting, and glazing, or if you just want to paint vibrant and atmospheric sunset scenes like these. As mentioned, we will be limiting our colors to 5 pigments, and if you love that kind of challenge, I have other classes where you'll get lots of opportunities to practice your mixing skills. Or check out these classes where we will paint skies and clouds. To help build up your confidence, we will start with warm-up exercises and mini studies before doing a bigger painting. Once you finish this class, you'll have a deeper understanding what makes a harmonious painting, how to paint soft and effortless clouds, and blend your background smoothly, which you can then apply to your future landscape projects. Stick with me till the end of this challenge and you'll receive a free copy of my Cloud Diary ebook. Find out how to get yours in the next video.